from, okay, we have the name. It's from,
Parasaran.
Parasaran Chaudhary, and he's writing about IREDA. Now, I think he's given the correct number of shares that he's bought. He's bought around 10,000 shares of IREDA at 276 a piece. 3 months ago is when he purchased, and he's saying that he's bought it without knowing fundamentals. Now, he's asking whether there is any hope that it would go up, or should he wait further for a longer period of time for the stock to give a good amount of returns. Sunny, I'll come to you for this one. Your view on IREDA?
Again, IRED is the one stock which one can't justify on a fundamental thing. So what I would recommend is that better to take a push view. What should be trailing stop loss and ride the rally which is currently going on in IRED.
View on IREDA, what do the charts suggest?
So not a very encouraging move up until yesterday and today, but there has been a positive divergence. The stock is above the 200-day and the 20-day moving average, knocking on the doors of 50-day moving average. My suggestion is that hold on with the near-term lows about 185, 190 as your stop loss. Already in a deep cut, but there has been a base formation around this level, and the stock is attempting a recovery with good volumes. So 185, 190 zone should act as your stop loss. On the way up, I see supply pressure somewhere close to the 240 mark, and once that is taken out, close to 265 mark, which is very close to his buying price. But then again, like the previous advice I gave, you're better off exiting at a lesser loss than waiting for a substantial profit, in this one. So 240 and 265 are the levels that I look for, exiting this stock gradually.
Okay. I believe we've got the next caller. Ram is calling in from Chennai. Ram, am I mistaken? Did you call us recently? And also, good morning. What do you want to know about?
Good morning, sir. I am holding 1,000 shares of NHPCA purchased at 75 rupees.
Okay.
Shall I hold it for some more time? Or this SJVN is a good to enter now?
Okay. You want to know whether to add more. Just wondering.
Add more?
Yeah. So just wondering, what was the thinking when you decided to buy NHPC, Ram?
NHPC seems to be a good dividend yielding giving company.
Okay.
And moreover, they are going for solar also. Na?
Okay. Right. So diversification from the hydropower space is what you were looking at. But then why 1 year?
1 year is my aim.
Okay. Okay. So, but are you comfortable holding for longer than that if the advice is to hold for long term?
Yes. No
Okay.
problem.
Okay, you're willing to hold. So Sunny, partly because he thinks it's a good dividend play, and partly because of the prospects in the renewable space, he's looking at NHPC, and he's bought at levels of 70 or thereabouts. Stock is trading well above his buy price. Should he hold on? Should he add more at this point?
What I would suggest is that the fair value of the company is close to 100, 110 rupees. Better to not to deploy capital in NHPC. There are many other better power play which is available in the market. Case in point NTPC, where we have seen a steep correction, and with the recent listing of NTPC Green, I think that is something on a SOTP basis. We feel the fair value of NTPC is close to 460, 470 rupees. So NTPC, I believe, can deliver a better alpha from here on. And at the same time, there are other way like transformer, cables and wire through which the power sector can be right on.
We have the next query on WhatsApp, which is from Sasideep. Now, he's having Swan Energy 1,000 shares at an average price of 528, and he wants to know whether to book profits, keep holding it, or accumulate more going forward. Sunny, I'll stick with you for this one. Your view on Swan Energy, if you have any.
Yeah, again, coming to Swan Energy, so again, a mix of diversified business, and the recent trigger has been the acquisition of the Reliance Naval Defense business, where it is expected that the company will get some mandate on shipbuilding side and so on and so forth. Again, it's a high risk, high return story. I would would recommend to remain invested in the company with an expectation that it can deliver a multi-bagger return over the period of next 2-3 years in case something on defense side materializes for the company. But at the same time, I would recommend to keep a trailing stop loss, which Kush can advise based on technicals.